drops right down. Looking at this could be very scary. It looks like it's going to take quite a bit to get it off. But this doesn't happen all the time, so this is not something you're going to see all the time. Like I said, this one's been on here a long time, so it's going to be a little hard trying to take these screws out. But once we get the screws out, it'll be easy to just pop right out of here. Yeah, this one here I couldn't actually get a good grip on it with the screwdriver, so I'm taking the channel lock pliers where I can get a grip on it with the pliers itself. And here we go, it turns. It's going to come right out. Just need to get it started, and then I can use the screwdriver to finish it. And any of the tools that you see me using on these videos, you can easily purchase it through the my YouTube channel.